Okay, Daddy and Baby are making coffee.
Want to make some coffee? Today we're not going to make espresso, we're just going to make regular coffee. Okay?
How do I zoom this thing?
So, it's on the top. So Papa's going to pour in the water. Let's say we do about that much. And then we're going to pour the water in here. Ready?
Wait, baby.
This baby is going to know how to make coffee before you say you read or write.
Papa already put the coffee grounds in there. Do you want to smell them? Okay, let's smell the coffee. Okay, now we gotta turn on the coffee machine. So could you press that button? Press that button. No, not that one. The red one, right here. Where it says, yeah. Yeah, good job, okay.
Good job, baby.
Now we just wait for the coffee to come out. And then we guzzle it. What do you think? He likes to look in my espresso jar, but there's no espresso in the jar. But we can still give it a sniff. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a sniff.
What is it? He also knows that he's not supposed to eat it. He's just supposed to.
Okay, we'll put that one back. And let's put this away. Uh-oh. Okay, now we just wait for the coffee.
Okay, Rohan, baby, sweetheart.
Are
Hey.
you ready to go cruising?
He gets a little clingy in the morning
Okay.
for Papa. Let's see what Nani's saying.
You want to keep this one?
Yeah, did you hear him say cocky?
Yeah, good job,
coffee.
baby.
You see
Nani's
it coming?
putting the milk back in the fridge. Okay, Rohan, sweetheart, do you want to run? Run, 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 run.
No, he wants to give his papa one beso.
You want to give Papa beta?
One beso? Oh, he wants to turn the oven on. Let's turn the
Okay.
oven on. Can you do that? That is the bake button. Yeah.
Good job, baby.
Ooh. Okay, now turn it off.
Good job, sweetheart.
Bravo. You want to do it again?
Okay, let him run, baby. Baby, you want to run? Light.
Light. Can I get you?
Oops, should I shoot, baby?
There he goes. Oh.
Go get Koo.
Yeah, I'll get the office. I will bunker the office.
What are you doing, baby?
You gotta turn the lights on, baby.
What are we doing? Where are we going? What's happening?
Papa.
Okay. Yeah, he's pooping.
You gonna poop
Mm-hmm. Light. It's a light.
Let's turn on some music for him. Let's let him dance. I'll turn it on. I'll turn it on.
Ready to do this.
Follow that guppy.
Okay, let's go this way. Where is he? Where's my baby boy? Where'd he go? Ah, there he is! Hey!
Okay.
We need to change
wanna
him?
do some dancing?
Baby, we need to change him.
You